Alright guys, here I'll detail how to display or show gender on Rednote account. So if you want to show your gender on Rednote account, whether you're a male or a female, and now you want to make this visible on your Rednote account, then here's a video for you on how to get this done. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and do subscribe to the YouTube channel as this really helps us to grow. Now, to display your gender or sex on your Rednote account, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Rednote app on your phone. This could be on your Android and it could be on iPhone. Once you open the Rednote application, sign into your account, and once you signed in, click on the Me button at the bottom right. There you go. Then you'll be taken to the Rednote account profile. On your profile, click on Edit Profile. Once you click on Edit Profile, locate and click on Gender. Now, to show your gender, come here, click on Show Gender. Then this is going to display your gender publicly. Now, go ahead and click on Confirm at the top right. Once you hit the Confirm button, then you'll be taken back to the profile page. On the Edit Profile page, if you click on Preview, you'll be able to preview how your profile is going to look. Just like this. Now, exit. Then go ahead and click on Save. Then choose spot that says Save Modifications. Then click on Save Modifications. Now, once you save the modifications, then you can refresh this page. Then you'll see this menu added to your Rednote account profile page. So that is to tell you your gender is displayed. So that is basically how to make your gender public on Rednote. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.